how to point GoDaddy domain name to Bluehost hosting. Hey guys, Brian with Cupid blog, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to point GoDaddy domain name to Bluehost hosting. By the end of this video, you will successfully know how to point domain name from GoDaddy to Bluehost. GoDaddy is the world's leading top domain company today. GoDaddy currently has an incredible 75 million domains under management. Bluehost is currently one of the top web hosting providers, powering over 2 million websites. Choosing a domain name with GoDaddy and going with web hosting with Bluehost is the way to go. If you haven't already purchased hosting from Bluehost, I provided a link in the description below in which you will receive hosting for up to 63% off. I've also provided a link to GoDaddy in case you haven't already purchased your domain name from GoDaddy. A little disclosure, the links are affiliate links and I'll receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out more WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Let's get started with this step-by-step tutorial on how to point GoDaddy domain name to Bluehost hosting. When you purchase a domain name from a separate company than your web hosting, you will need to point your name servers to the hosting company you are using, which in this instance would be Bluehost. Purchasing your web hosting from a hosting provider, you will find that your account will include name servers. Once you purchase your domain name, you will then need to change your name servers to point to the web hosting provider you bought hosting from. The first step in our how to point GoDaddy domain to Bluehost tutorial is to point your GoDaddy domain to Bluehost name servers. This is Bluehost name servers: ns1.bluehost.com, ns2.bluehost.com. You want to log into GoDaddy so you can update the name servers to Bluehost name servers, as you can see here. Once you are logged into GoDaddy, you will see a button that says DNS over towards the right of the page. Click the DNS button. You are now brought to a DNS management page where you will be able to change your GoDaddy domain name servers to point to Bluehost. Scroll down till you see Name Servers, click the Change button. Select the tab that says Default right under Choose Your Name Server Type. Select Custom. Now you want to input Bluehost name servers, ns1.bluehost.com, ns2.bluehost.com. Hit the Save button. That's all there is to it. You have successfully pointed your domain name from GoDaddy to Bluehost hosting. Some things to keep in mind after you point your GoDaddy domain to Bluehost is it typically takes anywhere from 5 minutes to 48 hours for changes to reflect globally. So be patient if you don't see the changes made right after you change your name servers from GoDaddy to Bluehost. Most of the time, within minutes to an hour or two, you should see the changes take effect. If you have any trouble or questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll help you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my tutorial video on how to point GoDaddy domain name to Bluehost hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.